Hello! Welcome to Technique Force Learning. In this video, I'll show you how to add bots to your Discord server. Let's begin. If you run a Discord server, you have a wide variety of options to provide neat features for your players. One of those features is the addition of bots. Customizing your server is simple once you learn how to add these bots. So in this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up a Discord server, then introduce you to the world of bots, and explain how to add bots to your Discord server. So what are Discord bots? Bots are simply computer programs that interact with human beings, and sometimes with other bots, to perform certain functions automatically. A website that has a helpful chat window immediately opens up offering to talk with you about their product or service. That's a bot. If you use Reddit, you see bot interactions all the time. Bots can be helpful or infuriating, depending on their purpose, their design, and how they are developed. On Discord, bots provide a variety of productive and not so productive features to the community on the server where they live. You can add bots to your Discord server that helps you moderate members or make your server a little more unique and fun. For example, there are bots that play music, bots that offer amusing memes on request, bots that fetch your game stats for you, and bots that play a loud air horn noise on the channel when they prompt to do so. Now, adding bots to your Discord server. Adding bots to your Discord server can be a lengthy process the first time around. Once you get a hang of it, it's actually quite simple. Step 1. Turn on Administrator Access. To add bots to your Discord server, you will have to be an administrator of that server. If you don't own the server, it's probably a good idea to check with the owner before adding anything to it. From your Discord homepage, select the server you'd like to add the bot to on the left-hand side of the Discord website. Once selected, choose the drop-down menu, the server name in the top left-hand of the screen with a small arrow next to it. Then, tap Server Settings, tap Roles, scroll down to the General Permission setting and toggle Administrator on. Then click Save Changes. Step 2. Get the bots you want. It's important to note that depending on your bot's search website, you may see Invite or Add Bots. For this example, we'll use Dino, but the instructions may vary slightly if you're adding another bot. Find the bot that you'll add to your server and log in using Discord credentials. Tap Invite or Add Bot, whichever is listed, then tap on the server you'd like to add the bot to. Follow the prompts. This will take you through a series of permissions, and it will ask for administrator access, which is why step 1 is so important. Authorize the bot and complete the CAPTCHA. There are several options for bots available. Some may differ in their process, but following the prompts will make the installation successful. If you have trouble finding your server, make sure that you are logged into Discord in the same browser you're using the bot's website. Also, verify that you are signed into the correct account. One popular bot is Dino, a full-featured bot with moderation features, music playing abilities, clever bot integration, and a lot of other features. It's been added to more than 1.4 million Discord servers, so it's popular. Now, click the green Add Bot to Server button. This will bring up a confirmation dialog from Discord asking you to choose which server you want to add Dino to. You'll need to be logged into your server for Discord to know that it's you trying to add something. Select your server and click Authorize. You may have to fill in an I'm not a robot CAPTCHA, but after that, the bot will automatically add it to your server, and you'll be taken to the administration page for managing Dino on your server. Authorizing your Discord bot. Discord is very careful with bots and sometimes requires multiple authorizations to enable one to work. Even though the platform uses OAuth 2 to enable a permitted bot to access and interact, you may still be asked to authorize it within the channel. So maybe you have some questions, like, do I have to add a bot to every server? Well, yes. Let's say you want to add the music bot to your servers, or I added a bot, but it isn't doing anything. What's wrong? Depending on the bot you've added, you could have some issues because there is something wrong with the bot itself. However, in most cases, you need to navigate the roles in your server's settings and grant the right permission to your mechanical helper. Do I have to be an admin to add bots? Yes, if you don't have administration permissions turned on, you can't add a bot to that server. You can always ask the owner or admins for access to these permissions or ask them to add them for you, although that may not go over so well depending on what you're trying to accomplish and your relationship with them. And that's how easy it is to add bots to your Discord server. And before I let you go, did you know that you can get more organic traffic worldwide with lifelike AI voiceovers, translations, and transcriptions? Yes, with over 108 languages, 322 lifelike voices, and perfect automation with the most powerful voice and language toolkit, that is, LinguaScribe by Technicforce. Explodes your traffic worldwide in just a few clicks. LinguaScribe is a powerful language and audio toolkit. It's a lifelike voiceover that can translate text into any languages and voice to text. It's the easiest organic traffic boost you'll ever get this year, with only 3 steps: feed it, translate it, and rip it. If you want to try LinguaScribe right now, just go to getlinguascribe.in. And that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.